Neither one of us knows what that thing does.
Do video?
Just put it
Why?
in the corner,
Because I'm
and I'll
stupid
deal with
bored.
it later.
And today I'm
That thing is
gonna
probably
corrupt
some
Portal
kind of
2
sewage
by
container.
unplugging it
Go
and beating the
ahead and
game.
rub your face all over it.
Yep, first person to do it.
Maybe you should marry that thing since you love it so much. Do you want to marry it? Well, I won't let you. How does that feel? Have I lied to you? I mean...
You're the lady from the past.
Fuck.
Seriously now. Okay, fine. Do touch it. Pick it up and just stuff it back into me. Just Oh, you think you're doing some damage?
2 + 2 is...
What's wrong? Do you
Okay, now. This better works. Fuck. Shut up. Attempt number 4.
Which container? Go ahead and rub your face all over it. Neurotoxin. So deadly. Joking.
I'm kidding.
When I said deadly neurotoxin, the deadly was in massive sarcasm quote. I could take a bath in this stuff, put it on cereal, rub it right into my arm.
You, on the other hand, are going to
Find its deadliness a lot less funny.
I didn't even fucking touch it. I just nudged it. God damn it. It's got lazy, just skip this shit.
Kidding.
When I said deadly neurotoxin, the deadly was in massive sarcasm quote.
I have to wait because fucking How the fuck is that part? Chicken's chirp. I just unplugged it. What the fuck? It didn't even play the sound. That's fucked up. Wait, oh yeah, the cutscene. I forgot about this. Hold on. Oh well. One valve game down. More to go. I'm not risking it. I hope you guys know I'm the god of World 2. Ain't risking it. Ain't corrupting my game. Ain't oh my god, the game glitched. Oh
I see. Are you ready to start? Corrupted core. Are you ready to start? What do you think? Interpreting vague answer as yes. Stalemate detected. Light detected in the stalemate resolution panels. Extinguishing. Stalemate resolution associated. Please press the stalemate resolution button.
Don't press that button! No! Don't do it! I forbid you to press it! Stalemate button! What? Are you You are joking! You have got to be kidding me! Well, I'm still in control, and I have no idea how to fix this place! Oh, you have to play still connected! I can pull myself in! I can still fix this!
I already fixed it. And you are not coming back.
Oh no! Change your plans! Hold on to me! Tighter! Ah! Grab me, grab me, grab me, grab me!
That should be painful. Big football on slaps him in. Ow. Man. Alright, yeah, this. Oh my god. Alright, let's stop this shit. Oh my god. Dear god, burn it down. I don't even know at this point. Alright, we'll unplug it right on because we grab his gun. Look at him. Look at those faggots. They're taking a gun. What a fuck face he is. Mossman, kill yourself.
I'll take him from here. Don't struggle, it's no use. Until you're where he wants you, there's nothing you can do. I'm sorry, Gordon.
Eat my bubbles.
God.
What's up?
Well, if it isn't Gordon Freeman at last. What's this? I'll put it over there.
My pew pew.
You have my gratitude, Doctor. First you lead me straight to the doorstep of my oldest friend, and then you deliver yourself? If I'd known you weren't going to come straight up to my office, I wouldn't have bothered hunting you in the first place. Having both of you in my keeping ensures I can dictate the terms of any bargain I care to make with the Combine.
Dr. Breen. Wallace.
Yes, Judith, what is it?
The bargain we should be making is for Eli's life so he can continue his research.
Thanks to you, we have everything we need in that regard. You're more than qualified to finish his research
Brother
yourself.
does not want to deal
What
with our
neither
shit.
you nor I can do is convince that rabble in the streets to give up their senseless struggle. Yet Eli refuses to speak the words that would save them all.
Save them? For what?
Eli, if you won't do the right thing for the good of all people, maybe you'll do it for one of them.
I am so thankful that mod is off.
Honey,
Dad. Gordon?
What's up?
God damn you, Breen, you let her go.
That's all up to you, my old friend. Will you let your stubborn, short-sighted...
Ow, what the fuck?
You give your child
Man, this
a
game
chance for
fucking
love
weird, man. I didn't download that.
How dare you
None of
even
y'all
mention
see
her.
that.
Alyx, my dear, you have your mother's eyes, but your father's stubborn nature.
You haven't seen a bit of it yet.
Bumbleglot. I
Really?
definitely
Well,
did
let's
just
see
download
how
that
well
mod
it
just to
serves
make
you
this
on
stupid
the
ass
far
gag.
side of a combined portal.
Go ahead, Breen. If that's the worst you can do, send us both through your portal.
Oh, it's hardly the worst. But you might find that hard to believe once you get there.
It isn't necessary.
I agree. It's a tonal waste.
Oh shit, never mind.
Fortunately,
Never played
the
this shit.
Resistance has
Decades
shown
on
it is
football.
willing to accept a new leader. And this one has proven to be a fine pawn for those who control him.
No!
Don't listen to him, Gordon.
How about it, Dr. Freeman?
Your leg is
Did you realize your
sticking out.
contract was open to the highest bidder?
Gordon would never make any kind of deal with you.
Yep.
I understand if you don't wish to discuss this in front of your friends. I'll send them on their way, and then we can talk openly.
Don't struggle, honey.
Like
Dad.
real sick.
I'm so sorry.
Alyx, sweetheart.
Judith, what do you think you're doing?
We're doing what I could never do alone. We're stopping you.
Yes!
Damn
Guards,
it, I want my
get
deal.
in here! They know you betrayed them. They'll turn on you. Judith, Dr. Mossman, please!
I'm sorry, Wallace. You're all out of time. Don't.
Hurry! Dad, hang on.
You fool!
Watch out, he's going.
No!
Man, fuck your day.
Don't worry about me, honey.
There's no time, Alyx. He's on his way to the portal. You'll need this.
Spoil alert, he dies in episode 2.
Dr. Mossman. Judith.
But now,
Look after my
now with
father.
Alyx, he doesn't.
Don't you worry.
Fuck. Lucky.
Dad, I'm not saying goodbye.
Black hair.
Never.
Come on, Gordon. Let's go.
I was probably the first person to do that. Oh god. Man.
This is the Citadel's dark fusion reactor. It powers their tunneling entanglement device. We'll never have a chance like this
Look at
again.
me when I'm talking to you.
We've
Hold
got to stop Dr. Breen.
Oh my. Oh my. That's bad. Oh my god.
I can't shut it down. Looks like he's turned over control to the other side. You'll have to go into the core and do what you can. Get in the elevator and I'll let you in. Don't forget to charge up your suit. Do your worst, Gordon. Yes, you did it! Come on, Gordon. Got to come out. Maybe we still have...
Time, Dr. Freeman?
It worked. Oh my god. Wait, where's G-Man? Oh, there he is. Let's go. His mouth was not moving. Alright. This one's a success. Let's go. Oh my god. He's not even talking, he's just staring at me. What the fuck? Man. What the fuck is that supposed to happen? You have to remember, I never played the game in decades. Decades. What the fuck? Oh, now he's smirking at me. What the fuck? Okay, I think, yeah, this is probably just leaves and just going out. Yep. Bye bye, motherfucker. And the end. Yeah, it's done. Beat it. Beat it first. Let's go. Beat Portal 1 first, Portal 2, and Portal 1 for Half-Life. Yeah. We're doing Half-Life episode 2. Why? It's easy. And also, one more thing. I'm not gonna play Half-Life episode 1. So whoever the fuck watching this video, you can beat Half-Life episode 1 and be the one that claims it.
Launch is in its final stages. The portal's close to its arrival. My husband is sure we'll be in time to stop it.
What the?
Hold on a moment, Planet. Ah, Freeman. Well, I see the Magnuson device. I feel compelled to thank you personally.
Oh, big red buttons.
Hurry up, or I'll do it myself.
Oh my god. Oh, Peter Griffin's going to space. Oh.
Stations, everyone.
No, my fat. I just
Main thrusters. Steady on.
T minus 10, 9,
We're launching.
God damn it.
7,
He's
6,
so heavy that
5,
Steady.
3, 2,
Come on, Griffin.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
we did it! Wow!
Sure did.
Moment of truth. I didn't ask this.
We've activated the resonator.
Okay. Oh my god. He's like birds. Oh my god, that sound. Oh no, the capture's fucked up. Oh my god, just like hit it. It's like bees or some shit. God damn it.
Alyx!
Get away!
Listen to me!
Nope. That's it. See y'all later. Just beat it again. Now that it's unplugged, I'll be damned.